fix a blown out spot on a pair of jeans. Let's fix these Levi's 501s. For this repair, I'm using a denim scrap that is similar in color to the jeans. I cut the scrap to the size of the hole, smooth the loose threads, and then pin the scrap in place. Next up, we're going to add stitches. I chose thread that's similar in color to the jeans, and then using a straight stitch, I sewed vertical lines back and forth. With the needle down, I flipped the jeans around and went the opposite way back and forth. Here's what it looks like on the front. On the back side, I'll just trim down the scrap. Now let's repeat the steps on the other side, pinning it in place, sewing vertically and horizontally. And here's the finished product. When you catch a hole early on, this is a good method to use. What do you think?
Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a small straight tear in your jeans. The easiest solution is going to be a ladder stitch. For this you will need an iron-on denim patch, a needle and denim thread, and an iron. I'll be using a contrasting thread color to show you the stitch pattern, but you will want to use a thread that's matching to your jeans when you do this at home. If your tear has any frayed edges, trim these down with some fabric scissors. Thread your needle and tie a knot in one end. I'm starting with the needle at the bottom of the tear, coming through to the outside of the denim. Create a ladder stitch by going across, in from the outside of the denim, then up, bringing the needle back through to the front of the denim. Repeat across and up, across and up, across and up until you reach the top of your tear. Gently pull the thread tight to close up your rip and go ahead and tie off and knot your thread. While inside out, I'm ironing the small flaps created by the stitch flat and open, and then I'm cutting out an iron-on denim patch. Go ahead and iron the patch to the inside of the jeans, and just like that, your straight tear is fully mended.
How to fix a hole in your jeans. Buy iron-on patches, $7 from Amazon. Flip your jeans inside out. Cut out all loose threads. Place iron on patch over hole. Set iron to highest heat. Press for 60 seconds. Use string or cotton thread to add distressing. Voila!
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
Jeans. First you're going to want to find a scrap piece of denim. Then get some scissors and cut around the hole. It should look like this and it just makes it look cleaner. Next get your denim patch and put it in place. We just tack stitch it. Then just set up your sewing machine and start sewing. The method we use is that we just went back and forth with a straight stitch over the edge of the patch and edge of the hole. Just take your time and it should look something like this. Next you're just going to do straight stitch all the way around the edge of the hole. Here's what it looks like on the inside, and here's the final result. Let us know what you think and follow us for more tips.
ගෙදර තියෙන වටිනා කියන භාණ්ඩ, කැඩෙන බිඳෙන භාණ්ඩ ආරක්ෂා කරන්න පුළුවන් ගැජට් එකක් තමයි මේ. මේක පෙරලෙන වෙලාවට නිකම්ම දිගහැරෙනවා හරියට ස්පොන්ජ් එකක් වගේ. ඒ වගේම මිනිස්සෙට උනත් මේක දාන්න පුළුවන්. හදිසියෙ ඉස්සලා වැටිලා කොන්දට එම මොනාරි වෙයි කියලා.